I interviewed a student I'll call L, who gave me lots of feedback, but here's what I found most surprising. Here are 3 items that I found surprising. Let me go through them one by one, starting with the one that I think will be easiest to address. How can I increase the one-to-one contact that I have with my students? What I'll do is set up a Google phone line. I know from my own children that young people today love to text. I think that will be an easier way for students to have more one-to-one contact and get immediate assistance from me. Everybody likes to Google. In fact, that's what I did when I asked for assistance in using this Spark program. And my students do that. How can I help them do that more efficiently? The problem everybody finds when you Google is you get long lists of possible things you might use. Here are some that students might find from my class. What I should do is create an annotated list of the Googleable videos that are most appropriate as an adjunct to other material in my course. Now, this is the one I find trickiest. I know from my own experience and also just watching in my class, team discussions can be desultory. Just something that students click through to do to get the points, often waiting to the last moment. How can I make team discussions more beneficial? Here are my students face-to-face, where working in teams of 2 worked really well. And what I'd like to do is replicate that in the online environment. I'm going to ask students every week to work with a different team member, kind of like speed dating. They'll work with that person and they'll do it by video. And then the next week, get to know and work with a different student in the class. I'm going to experiment and see how that works. Thanks for your attention. I look forward to your feedback.